We would like you to meet Doc Martin. Doc Martin's impound number is A4722676. Doc Martin is an adorable tri-colored beagle mix who came into the shelter as a stray on June 17th, so he's only been here a couple days. He weighs 21 pounds. You know, they put him down for 8 years old. I actually think he's younger. He doesn't act like an 8-year-old, and his teeth are pretty white for 8, so I would say, you know, maybe more like 5 or 6. He has a medium energy level. As you can see, he's a beagle. He loves to smell, so he's very curious about his surroundings. He is kenneled with other dogs, so he's great with other dogs. Hi, can you look at the camera? He's probably good with kids, and he's just an all-around great mellow dog. If you look at him, he can stand to lose a little bit of weight. He is a little on the full-figured side, so somebody that will let him run or play in the yard or take him for walks would be great. He has an adorable underbite, which you can't see now because he's panting. But we think that Doc Martin would do great, really, in any home, any kind of living situation. A senior, a condo, an active family, a first-time dog owner. This dog would just really do well across the board. He does really well on a leash, walks beautiful. He went potty when he came out of the kennel, so we think that he probably is housebroken. So Doc Martin's just an all-around great dog. So come down. He is already altered, so he is available to go home today and meet Doc Martin.